Hi guys, welcome to part 4 of this video. So you can see from the last part of the last video, we've managed to get this plug to the outer part of the ear canal. So now we're going to actually remove this plug, get this ear canal nice and clear before we work on the other ear canal. So you can see we've scooped over the top. I'll drop back the camera now in a second so you can see this coming away. There we go. So as we start to pull this out, look at the size of this plug. It is absolutely huge. So we're just lifting this out. There we go, you can see that white material underneath, that's that dry skin material there. So that's come away really well. So we'll take a look behind that now. You can see there's a little bit of wax left. We can see the eardrum now just in the distance there. So let's get rid of this last little piece. Now, this piece is quite firmly stuck to the canal wall with a little bit of dry skin. So as you can see, when I try and get a good suction grip here, what we're actually doing is, you can see the wax is sliding just that little bit further in. So it's not much good trying to get hold of this now with the suction. So what we're going to do in a second is switch over to the crocodile forceps, which is going to be able to pull this out a little bit easier. So the first thing we need to do is reposition this piece of wax so that we can get a much better grip. So we're just going to hold on to one of the hairs. Didn't really work, so let's hold on to this bottom section here, draw this forwards. Means it's easier to get a good grip with the forceps, and then we're just going to very gently pull this away, and that's going to take the little bit of dry skin that was attached to the top away with it. There we go, out that comes all the way. You can see still quite a big piece. You could see that lighter material to the right hand side there as that plug came out. That was the dry skin. Eardrum looking absolutely perfect, good light reflex, lovely clear ear canal. Now unfortunately the patient does have exactly the same problem in their other ear as well. We do show you what comes out at the end. It's an immense amount of wax that came out of these ear canals, but we're going to start off by using the Jobson horn to take this front section away. You can see how close to the actual outer part of the ear canal this wax is here. It's right at the entrance to the canal. So let's get that piece away first. It looks a little bit drier than the other side, so that a little bit more solid on this side, but coming away really well. We're just going to keep taking scoops of this away now, as we did with the other ear. So you'll see this just starting to scoop down through this wax, just flicked off the top. That's how hard this wax was. As I tried to get a good grip on the top there, I'll push through it. It actually flicked off the top of the wax. It's that tough. So we're just getting a good size piece here. There we go. Make sure you stay tuned for the 5th part of this video as well, guys. That's where we get the ear canal on the other side. There is a massive chunk of wax on that one. You don't want to miss part 5. And then we'll also show exactly what came out of these ear canals as well. Just get this last little scoop away, and then we'll break on this video, and I'll see you in part 5. So just this last little bit.